Hi all, welcome back to another video about A2A agents. Today we are going to discuss about how to do an agent card discovery in the A2A protocol. So there are mainly three methods used in A2A agent discovery, and we are going through all the three methods now. The first method is open discovery or a well-known URL methods. What this means: agent card are hosted at a fixed discoverable URL. Usually it's in the .wellknown folder or .wellknown location under a domain. And how this works is a client send a request to a domain name through the DNS lookup and the agent card is fetched from HTTPS protocol. And this works only when we know the domain name of the remote agent location or a public agent is located in a public domain, then we can use this method. And it is the less secured method. It's and the benefits is it's simple and decentralized. It's not complicated implementation, and it doesn't need any special tools or infrastructure. You just need a website or web server to host your agent card, and you can directly use the A2A protocol, and then you can start using this open discovery. Example use cases, as mentioned earlier, agents in open ecosystem, developer tools, and public APIs. The second method is a curated or registry-based method, and this is highly used in the enterprises. Agents are listed in an internal or public registry or catalog. So imagine this as an app store for Apple or Google. So similar to that, we will have an app store or agent store specifically for AI systems. And we can have an agent store for internally to our enterprises and business, or we can have a public like a SaaS model, a public agent store. From there, we can search for an agent. How this works: users search particular registry, if it is an internal or external, doesn't matter, and then based on the type or categories in the registry, it will select the agent and then it will retrieve the card of that agent. Use cases are best for enterprise environments or business to customer or business to business scenarios. Agents can be grouped under department, project, or functions. So, in the registry, how do they select an agent based on some categorization? Benefits are this is controlled and consistent. The curated or the registry owner will decide what type of agents will go into that, and the clients can make sure that if the curator or the proprietor of this agent store is a valid or enterprise one, the users of that agent store can ensure that the agents are valid they are using. Example cases: internal marketplace and enterprise AI tools. The third approach is private discovery. That means API based exchange. The definition is agent cards are exchanged through private APIs. Just like we consume the web services, we can also consume the private APIs of the agent system. And through the private APIs, the output of the API will be an agent card. How this works is we send an authenticated API code and the agent will send the card back to us. Use cases: it can be used in the private ecosystem, business to business integrations, environment with strict security and access control. Benefits are it's highly secure. We can use the API gateways for quick implementation of this. Since we can use the API gateways, we can implement custom logic and permissions. Example use cases is highly secured environments like healthcare, banking, and private cloud platforms. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please share this information, like and subscribe to my videos. Thank you.